House Leader Kulal Duo Makhan MNF Sarkar Khan adopt adu lova kan pass puya ke po soy na saka ni atia a adopt du lova chu central po an lo thon thalava eng ma ma an la lova tin hatun hausa athu soya khana soyani ma se kan Sarkar Khan ma lo la chiang khom kan Sarkar Khan Lok Sabha lo thon chiang khom mai hi tu kinaka print tharani hi an lo thon thamia lo tia kha dot hul hualani hei hi ni somni pariat oga sa ni somni pathuma commissioner and secretary na sign heta yan true secretary general Lok Sabha secretariat 18 Parliament House New Delhi subject official resolution as requested by Rules 137 of the Rules Procedure of Conduct of Business in Mizoram Legislative Assembly, I am directed to forward herewith a copy of an official resolution moved by Sri T.J. Lalnuntuang, Minister of State, Environment, Forest and Climatic Change Department, which was discussed and adopted by the House unanimously during the 12th session of the 8th Mizoram Legislative Assembly held on 22nd August 2023 for information and necessary action. Kan Sarkar Khan athon thachianga ni hei hi ega tinge House to ta min bei mai le chuan kun Sarkar ai chuanin Chief Minister te po anthu soi hi en je langai torin ngochi po ni talove